Hey guys, check out my Chrome extension. It's called the GTM Variable Builder. In this video, I'll show you how it works. So here's a website. It's got all sorts of text on the page. We're going to go ahead and highlight this piece of text. And then we will open up the Chrome developer tools. So we're going to right-click the page and then go to Inspect. Okay, we'll go to the console. Now we'll click on the Chrome extension. It's at the top right of Google Chrome. You can see here, it's added green text to the console. The first part of the green text says, paste this into the console to test. So let's do that. And there you see, it's retrieved the highlighted text. Manage your money like a boss. That's it. That's what I've highlighted, and that's what it generated with JavaScript to extract from the page. Now this second section here allows you to copy and paste directly into GoogleTagManager so that you can create a custom JavaScript variable in GTM and then kind of echo it in any one of your tags. All right, hopefully that was helpful. You can use this on pretty much any website. When you highlight the text, highlight it very slow, usually left to right works the best. Right, thanks so much.